We are here today to present to you the game Say Thy Name. It is a surreal puzzle horror about a private investigator who is trapped in a cursed house with an interdimensional creature slowly leaking in. So the players would need to find the clues to survive in the house and understand the wicked rules of traversing the place that is slowly dropping into the other dimension. This is a first person puzzle horror. We are aiming at the PC release on itch.io, and every lover of creepy and gross aesthetic and cool lore and creatures will be astonished by the project. And let me slow you into the teaser, please. And as we coming from the cinematic teaser, if you love such gameplay titles as walking simulator slash quests like Gun Home, when the story is told through the environment and indirect storytelling, or horror games set up in a very real but slightly not so real places like PT, or the deep lore creature based systems like SCP, I think you will enjoy our game. And of course, regarding the gameplay, the players will explore the house that is slowly drowning in the other dimension, find environmental and text based clues to understand the fates of previous inhabitants of the house, and of course learn the traversal rules of these interdimensional intertwinings to actually change the environment willingly or sometimes unwillingly around them. And moving on to our unique selling points, they are the unsettling high fidelity art style featuring both beautiful and astonishing and creepy creatures, the ability to change the environment by blinking. Sometimes the environment will deep drown in the madness by itself, and of course unraveling and intriguing stories filled with skeletons of the past. And of course, moving on to our team. I'm Matthew, the game designer of the project, and I was responsible for the feature level and narration design, lighting the level together with our 3D artist, sound design, teaser creation, project management, both in terms of planning and team representation, and of course, blueprint scripting and blockout inside the engine. But now, moving on to the heart of the project, our 3D artist, Sadan, please take the stage.
So, as a 3D artist, I was responsible for the creature design, modeling, texturing, different environmental stuff, props, a little bit of lighting, and also customizing assets from the marketplace and the overall atmosphere of house. Thank you.
Yes. And now to the moving soul of our project, our animator and rigger, Laura, please.
Hello. I am responsible for rigging and animating our beautiful creatures, as well as implementing them into Unreal Engine. Also, I am working on animation blueprints.
Yes, and these beautiful creatures will not be moving without the skills of Laura. But moving on to our programmer and artist, Dmitro.
Hi, I'm Dmitro. On this project, I worked on such features like world alteration system, so the player could travel through different versions of reality, not always voluntarily. Observation system, which allows things to know if the player is watching them. Some cool material magic, and other stuff like making eyes sticking out of the wall staring back at you if provoked. And of course, all other not so cute stuff like hosting the version control system and solving technical issues.
Yes, and of course, the purpose of this project was to create a cool portfolio piece showcasing the unique skills of each one in the team, and of course, to expand our game dev network. So, yeah, we are looking forward to our build release on itch.io in the following months. And of course, we're shaking your ghostly hand, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much for watching.